Kansas Physical Therapy Partners' history is a result of a common dream and foresight that was out into practice by Jordan Zuccarelli. The dream became a reality, directing the building's change, mainly through prayer, meditation, and the dedication to growing according to the plan. The remodeling not only transformed the space, but also made room for Inspired Health's personal training services to take place, which represented the realization of the dream that first saw light through faith, teamwork, and the love for more people finding the way to good health and activity. Each session ranges between $80 to $100. However, deductibles can be added based on your insurance approval. One of the founders, certified manual physical therapist, and the only orthopedic clinical specialist in the North Central Kansas region, Jordan Zuccarelli, brings his therapy dog Emily with him to work to have a positive environment for himself, his staff, and patients.
We are dedicated to the relentless pursuit of optimal patient outcomes through education, both for the patient as well as the advancement of our knowledge as physical therapists and the diligent development of relationships with other healthcare providers within our community. The history of Kansas Physical Therapy Partners is rooted in a shared vision and thoughtful planning led by Jordan Zuccarelli. His ideas sparked the transformation of the building, guided by prayer, reflection, and a commitment to purposeful growth. Following the remodeling process, the space evolved to include Inspired Health's personal training services, symbolizing the realization of a vision that began with faith, collaboration, and a passion for helping others live a healthier and more active lives.
The interview with Taylor Helmer, a physical therapist at Kansas Physical Therapy Partners, mentioned the clinic will be implementing a new facility in Salina that will be sports-based and have a turf area, advanced technology, and a new provider that is an athletic specialist as well as a personal trainer. The goal of this new clinic is to be located on the south side of the city so that the individuals living in that area have better access to high-performance care. As far as the areas where the facility has an edge over the others, the staff pointed out their use of the latest technologies like blood flow restriction training, handheld dynamometry, and 3D gait analysis, which offer more accurate and sophisticated treatment than what is typically provided in other local clinics. At last, when they were asked about the weaknesses they currently have, the major problem limiting the services was found to be the lack of space. With 6 to 7 providers at one time, every room is occupied and the gym can get crowded. However, such an occurrence is not negative to the clinic's business, as the latter has always been strong. Being a private practice, the clinic's schedule is always full and it has the flexibility and freedom that it has built over the years.